Yo, welcome back people. First of all, apologies for the lateness of this video. I know it should have been done at the start of the month, but I've just got a lot going on at the minute. It was even hard just to schedule in the time just to make this video. But since this is the first video of the new year, Happy New Year. I know it's a bit late. I hope you all had a good one, and I hope your Christmas was great too. But in this video, I'll be recapping all the dividends I got paid in the month of December, showing the total that I made for the whole of 2025. But let's not waste no time and roll the credits. Before I jump into the list of the 24 companies which I received payments from, could I please ask that you hit the like button? It does wonders for the growth of this channel, and hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey if you haven't done already. So going alphabetically as always, first company I got paid from in December was AG&C. For my 320.3 shares, I got paid £24.51. Then it was a turn of Alphabet. For my 12.3 shares, I got paid £1.64. Then BP. For my 55 shares, I got paid £3.43. Then it was a turn of Broadcom. I think I might build up a solid position in Broadcom in this year. But for now, I've got 4.5 shares, and for those, I got paid £1.85. Capital Southwest, for my 40.9 shares, I got paid £5.01. Then they also paid me a special dividend on those 40.9 shares, and I got paid an additional £1.55. Next up is Coca-Cola. If you've been on this channel for some time, you will know that anytime me and my girlfriend buy a coffee from Costa, which is owned by Coca-Cola, we buy 0.1 of a share and just keep doing that and letting them build up over time. Funny thing is, Coca-Cola was going to sell Costa, but in the end they changed their mind, so I'm glad they did, because I want to stay buying them like I do. Anyway, for my 28.2 shares, I got paid £9.14. Next up is Dividend Energy. That company's been down for the majority of the time I've owned them, but I'm hanging on in there. Anyway, for my 13 shares, I got paid £1.96. Next up is Horizon Technology Finance. I've got that in a pie on 212 with Prospect Capital. Every month I just put £50 in, £25 in each, and just let that do its thing. Anyway, for my 105.3 shares, I got paid £7.36. Next is IAG. I got one share. I don't know why I got that one share. I should just get rid of it. Anyway, for that one share, I got paid £3. Next up, IBM, International Business Machines. They've been a beneficiary in this big AI boom that's going on. For my 12.2 shares, I got paid £13.15. Next up, Main Street Capital. They are my favorite monthly paying dividend stock. It used to be AG&C, now it's Main Street Capital. For my 31 shares, I got paid £5.03. Then they also paid me a special dividend this month, and I got paid an additional £6.05. Next up, Meta Platforms, aka Facebook. For my one share, I got paid 33p. Followed by Prospect Capital. Like I said, that's in a pie with Horizon Tech Finance. I just dollar cost average every month. For my 224.3 shares, I got paid £6.42. Next up is Shell. Every time I used to fill up my car, I used to buy a share, but I've gone electric now, so I haven't added to this for quite a while. But for my 58.4 shares, I got paid £15.70. Next up is Starbolt Carriers. They are a prime example of why you shouldn't buy a company just because of its dividend. You should buy a good company which just happens to pay a dividend. I learned that lesson the hard way. When I bought Starbolt Carriers, they had an excellent dividend and it has since tanked, and I just got to ride it out until it improves, or sell it, but I haven't decided which I'm going to do yet. Anyway, for my 28.2 shares, I got paid £2.32. Next up, Trig, the Renewable Infrastructure Group. For my 275 shares, I got paid £5.19. Next up is Unilever. They're one of my favourite stocks in the FTSE 100. They're brands of products which you're going to need in any market. You know, whether the market's up or down, you're going to need necessities, and they sell a lot of necessities. So I'll be staying with them for the long term. For my 37.4 shares, I got paid £14.71. Now for the Vanguard ETFs which I own. The Vanguard FTSE 100, I own 5.5 shares and I got paid £1.26. Then it was the turn of Vanguard Emerging Markets. I also own 5.5 shares and got paid £1.34. Then the Vanguard All World High Dividend, I own 5.5 shares also and I got paid £1.88. Last but not least, the Vanguard S&P 500, I own 10.9 shares and I got paid £2.44. All of those shares combined give me a grand total for the month of December of £132.38. £132.38, I'm more than happy with that. It's way above the £100 threshold, which I like to break through every month, and hopefully that's going to be the case for the whole of 2026. Still not taking a penny out of my investing account. All of that money which I've earned in December is going to go straight back into the portfolio, some into the stocks which paid me the initial dividend, but I'll spread the money amongst other companies. One of these days I might take some of my dividend money out and treat myself, but for now, you know, while I can afford to, that same money just gets reinvested each and every month, because I do love a good bit of compound investing. So now for my favorite part of the video, let's put those numbers into the spreadsheet. So £132.38. Oh, that's crazy. I'm only up 1% from this time last year. Last December I got paid £131.60. This year, £132.38. But what we can see just under that figure is my total for the whole of 2025. I'm up to £1,625.10, which is 24% up from this time last year. I'm happy with that. That's just my dividends. You know, that's gone up 24%, not including my share price appreciation on the portfolio as a whole. So yeah, I'm more than happy with that. My portfolio as a whole is outperforming the S&P 500, and that's without including dividends. So yes, I feel like I'm definitely on the right path. My portfolio isn't growing as fast as if I just bought growth stocks, but they can be temperamental. Dividend stocks are definitely more stable. And if we go to the bottom left chart, we can see that I made £400.03 for the whole of Q4, which is up 18% from this time last year. It's not my best quarter of 2025, but that's all good. And if you look at the chart on the right, you can see that, you know, where the bar is, it's pretty much a middle of the road kind of month. Not too bad, not too good, but like I said, it's over that £100 threshold, which I did manage to go through every month besides February of this year. So let's hope that for the whole of 2026, I can definitely be over that £100 month. And then I believe the next target will be, you know, around 140 per month. But we'll see. That might be a bit much for 2026. I don't know what I want my minimum amount to be per month. I need to set some realistic targets and goals. But yes, that's about it for this video. Now, as I always say, not only am I not a financial advisor, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before buying any stocks. Do not just simply copy my portfolio or any portfolio that you see on YouTube, because there's a reason those stocks work for me and others, and they might not work for you, and vice versa. We're all at different stages in our dividend investing journey, and we've all got different goals. So please don't blindly follow anyone in this space, because if you do, you got no one else to blame when you lose money. And trust me, I've been there. At the start of my investing journey, not even my dividend investing journey, there's a couple YouTubers which I used to blindly follow. And because of them, I lost money. No, not because of them, that's wrong. Because of myself, I lost money. So when I tell you not to do that, trust me, I'm speaking from experience. Right, that's 2025 wrapped up. So we're now in 2026. I hope everyone's dividend investing journey is going well, and I wish you all nothing but success. I hope we all get to our financial goals. Slowly but surely is definitely the path that I'm on. There are no shortcuts to success. But yes, for 2026, I wish you all the best. Now, if you don't mind, once again, if you haven't done already, please hit that like button. It does wonders for this growth, for the growth of this channel, and boy, do I need it. And also hit the subscribe button if you want to join me on this journey. But that's it until the start of February, where I'll be recapping all the dividends I got paid in the month of January. I'll be making that video pretty soon, actually. So until then, take care, people. Adios.